এই ভিডিওতে আপনি শিখতে পারবেন কনগ্রাচুলেশন ছাড়াও কোন কোন উপায়ে অভিনন্দন জানানো যায়। Other ways to say congratulations. Well done. Good job. Fantastic. Sensational. Respect. You rock. Nice going. Good going. Good so. Good for you. I'm impressed. You did it? You did it. You are the best. You have got it. That's the way. It's perfect. You did it that time. You really deserve it. You did that very well. That's the best ever. Hats up. Good on you. Good one, Matt. Way to go. Congratulations. You are a genius. Pat on the back. Many returns. What a good try. That's better than ever. You're doing a good job. You are doing beautifully. You are really growing up. You are very good at that. Keep up the good work. You're on the right track now. You're really going to town. That's the right way to do it. I'm happy to see you working like that. You are getting better every day. You have just about mastered that. Nothing can stop you now. That's the best you have ever done. Keep working, you're getting better. You have done a great job.